Okay, welcome to the third lesson where we're just going to do the variables for the game. So last time we left off with collecting coins. So now we need to work out how to make the score change. So to do that, we need to click the top left, Project Manager, and we need to go to Global Variables. And we need to add one in because there aren't any. And I'm going to type in score and apply. So we've now got a in the global variables, we've got a variable called score. So now I can go to my events editor, and we've already got delete coins. So we just need to add an action where each time they hit a coin is a score. So we add an action, and the action will be in variables, global variables, value of a global variable. It's already got score. I choose an operator, add, and I wanted to add 1 to the score. So I'm basically saying I've made a variable called score. So I've gone to global variables, value of a global variable, score, add 1. So we click OK. So now it says when you delete the coin, change the global variable to of the word score, the variable score, add 1. But of course that won't change any of the text. So I now need to add a new condition, or add a new action in a new area. Add a new action, and this will be when we the action, the object we're going to be performing an action on is the score, and we want to modify the text, and then choose an operator. So we want it to equal, and the value, so I can put in score. That's the value, score, plus, and then I can scroll up and down. So I can go to global variable, string, and I put in, make sure the text, the uppercase is correct. Put in score there, and that should be it. We click OK. So we've said change the global variable. So change the variable every time we delete a coin to add 1, and then change the text of the variable score to that. So now when we play the game, we should see that the scores are going up. And that's how we add a score. So I hope you found that useful. So we've now got a game where we're running around collecting coins, and hopefully we can carry on improving the game with some sounds. So until next time.